What are they doing?
Just
saying hello.
They look quite cute.
The babies are still growing.
Where are they keeping the eggs? In here?
In incubators there, mate. See?
There's 3.
See that? That's an incubator.
Oh, and those are eggs. I don't see any.
Is that one poorly down there? It's not got enough.
No, it's just, that's what babies do, isn't it? Sleep half the time.
yeah. It's got some eggs.
And he's trying to eat his foot. He's trying to eat his foot as well. He's got spikes.
Why is it like that from these babies?
Why has he got spikes?
Oh, it's so sweet.
They're not sweet, they're horrible. I'll lift you up in a minute, Cody.
Are you grabbing onto it?
No.
Flipping wasp. Is there a wasp near me?
This slightly small, sweetie.
Cody. Yeah. Come out the way, Cass. Let Cody have a go, please. No, just try and have a look.
Ow.
Can he go feed? No.
Oh.